Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the January 2018 Sephora Play unboxing. I didn't do December because I don't know if it was just me, but I got my December box so late. I think I got it the 23rd of December, and by that time I was already out in California. So when I came home, it was already pretty much New Year's Eve. So and the box wasn't that great anyway. Saying I've been kind of going back and forth on splurging and getting a $20 subscription box from one of the many other beauty subscription boxes there are, just to see if I get better products. I've done Ipsy, I've done Birchbox. This was my most recent, and I don't know guys, I've just been so on the fence about it, but this month's box was actually really nice, so let's just go ahead and get into it. This was the bag. So cute, actually. It says 2018 Happy You Year. So I'm assuming this box is about, you know, pampering yourself, and judging by the things that I got, I definitely think that even more. I actually really like this box. It focused a lot on skincare, which is good because I've been struggling. This winter Vegas weather has really gotten to me. I've been having to incorporate oils and a lot more moisturizers into my skincare routine. I've been noticing a lot of texture going on right here, and also I have a breakout right here. It actually, that Maybelline 24-hour foundation covered that real nice. But yeah, so let's just get into it and see what we've got. Look how cute. It says a beautiful 2018. Has a little workout. So cute, so cute. I don't know what this little calendar is. I think it's just like things to add, to do, to accomplish for the new year, which is really cute. And then it says Happy You Year. And the first thing that we're gonna grab out is actually something I'm really excited about, and I actually used today for the first time as I make a mess. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and a moisturizer in one. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Look at it, so tiny though, which kind of sucks. And it's a glass bottle, so like you can't squeeze it out. You kind of have to like, and you don't want to do it too hard because then there goes all your sample gone in one go. So that kind of sucks, Sephora, just saying. So this is supposed to replace your moisturizer. It was recreated to replenish moisture and prep skin for makeup in one step. It plumps and moisturizes with niacinamide, did I say that right? And hyaluronic acid. Sets in seconds, so makeup goes on fast, lightweight, feel comfortable all day. I wore it today, and I do have to say that I really do like the way that it feels. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. And it did make my skin look really glowy and also feel really soft. It's like 6 o'clock at night, so I don't know how it'll affect the wear of my foundation because I basically just did my makeup to film. But you know, feels really good. I like it. My sister bought it, a full-size one, and then she broke it. Anyway, so the next thing I got, okay, so I have been using this since I've got my box on Wednesday. This is the Ole Henriksen, is that how you say it? It is the, it says Hygge. Please tell me they tell you how to say that on here. No, they don't. Hygge? I don't know. It's a Hydra Clay detox masks. And I've been really into clay mask lately, charcoal mask, things like that. It says it's a gentle clay mask that draws out impurities and replenishes moisture with 5 botanical oils. It's a calming formula, and it's perfect for sensitive skin. Now, I really wanted to try this because it said it was supposed to moisturize as well, and all of the other clay masks that I've ever used have been so like intense and drying on my skin, and this is not like that. It says you can use it 3 times a week, apply a thick layer to clean dry face, leave on for 10 minutes, so that's what I've been doing, and I love the way my skin feels after. It feels so nice. It doesn't dry down all of the way like the other masks that I have do, so that's something to keep in mind. But it just, I don't know, I really love this, so I'm so happy that I got that. And the next thing I got, another thing that I really loved. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Little sample once again, but you know, it's just eye cream, so you're not supposed to use a lot of it. It says it's a hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. And it says, say goodbye to tired eyes with this moisturizing and brightening eye cream powered by peptides. It will keep you looking refreshed all day long, no matter how little sleep you got. So, I always be tired. I always need a pep in my step. So I've been using this and I really, really like this too. I've been on the hunt for a new under eye cream, so I think I might go ahead and give this a purchase of the full size because I really like this and I love Clinique. Clinique is a tried and true skincare brand, so good, guys. And what else did I get? I think everybody got this in their box. This is a Hollywood, California Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I actually did pick up the full size of this at TJ Maxx, actually is where I found it. And so I already know that I really like this. I think it's great. It's fantastic. It makes my skin feel so nice. I do wish mine came in a squeeze one though, because this is so much easier to get out. Mine has a pump and I feel like the pump kind of struggling. I don't know if maybe that's just mine, but something to think about. And then I got this. Now this is interesting. I have not used this yet. This is a Lancome Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. It's a creamy conditioning primer that preps lashes for smooth application and a boost of drama. Now, you guys know that I wear falsies every day. I do. I love it. It's easy. It's fun. It makes my eyes look so much bigger than they really are. I'm obsessed. I will probably do this forever and ever and ever. So I'm not really crazy about buying expensive mascaras or bases or primers because it's just gonna get covered up anyway. But you know, I think I'm gonna give it a try just to see. It's a white color. It looks like just a regular primer that comes in a lot of mascaras these days. I'll try it and see if it's anything special. I'll probably give it to my sister though because she lives for things like this. And then the last thing I got is the Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair. Brio Geo? I don't know how to say it. It's a deep conditioning mask with no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And it says a rich, nourishing hair mask made with naturally derived ingredients that moisturizes and protects strands. Now, this couldn't have come at a better time because let me tell you guys, my hair is struggling right now. Struggling. I usually get a haircut every 6 weeks, and I haven't been able to do that because my hair girl wasn't available, and I'm not gonna go to California in a long time, so I had to try another girl, and this girl can't get me until March, but my friends really like her, so I want someone that's gonna take care of me and take care of my hair, so I'm gonna push it out till March, but I can already tell that my layers are going out, my hair feels dry, which happens all the time whenever I'm in between haircuts. I'm just worried that it's going to really push, and since I have to wait till March, but you know, it is what it is. So I cannot wait to try this. I hope it helps me out because those do be a little bit coarse lately. So, you know, winter is coming for me. But yeah, so that was this month's box, guys. Really like this. This is so cute. So cute. But like I said, I don't know about keeping this box or keeping this subscription. It's just, I don't feel like it's as special as I thought it was gonna be, which is disappointing, but you know, that's life. And yeah, so we'll see. Maybe we'll be getting some new subscription boxes. Saying goodbye to this one. New year, new subscriptions. I don't know. Alright, I'll see you guys in next month's video for my February box. Maybe. Bye. Hold up.